Taurus. Shadow work. I see some of you have been doing some shadow work, or that is needed at this moment. I do see that you will discover a lot. It is to bring you a lot of knowledge, things that you have hidden for a long time, or perhaps suppressed. Something in your mind, in your memory, is coming back up to the surface. And because if you already start with your shadow work, you'll be able to deal with it in a much, much, much better way. That it won't even last that long. I just see that it shows it is needing to happen in order for you to be able to have as least like heaviness. I see there is a heaviness there, like weights that you've been lifting that is not needed. It's no longer needed. So there's like certain things that it's saying to tackle first head on, and then you'll see how things start to feel a lot lighter for you. It's definitely a positive step in the right direction here. I get a very specific message about massage. Perhaps you are going for massage, or you do massage, or something like that. Or it's like I see something about pampering yourself. Combing as well. I know, very specific random messages, but you could be combing your hair. I do get. This is going to sound very strange. Very strange. But when I get the message, I have to say it. It could be you, or it could be somebody that you know or knew that had a beard and would comb their beard. I know that sounds weird, but it happened. But people with beards do that. Some, I think. So, it's just, there's a message here for you if that connects to you. Please do let me know. Random as ever, but it's there. Try not to overthink things. There is something here that's just saying to slow things down. No need to take everything on, or feel like you need to take the world on. There's no need for that. There are some necessary adjustments to be made here, and you're going to find yourself in a much better position. There is a blessing in disguise, something that didn't happen. There's something else that's coming in that's happening a lot quicker than you realize, and that is the best opportunity for you coming in. There's been something that was saved, like the universe had saved this opportunity to come in at the right time. I do see divine intervention here for you. It is all around you. Something felt like it was very much a mystery. Something was quite clouded over, mysterious, trying to sort of find your footing, trying to understand what this was about. It could have been I get something about long distance. Perhaps that's a connection, and it's long distance, or it feels long distance in trying to understand what this is. It's like it always made your head scratch because you don't exactly know what happened. And I do see you're getting some answer. Something's going to be revealed, and you're like, oh, okay. Now I understand. And it's giving you this great sigh of relief, feeling more secure, and just better overall. No matter what the answer is to this closure, at least you actually get it, and that's what I do see. I do see also there's a kind of like a promise being made. Perhaps you're promising to yourself that you will always do something with a purpose. There's always, it's like looking at ways how you can contribute to others or to what you are doing, and it's creating very good positive energy around you. I do see you are receiving, there's a lot of generosity, receiving something very positive back. Someone wants to have a word, like wants to speak with you in a very personal way. They are afraid that you may ignore them or not take them seriously. So there is that thing happening. You could be getting a phone call, some form of communication soon. Whoopsie. Very eager to come out. Communication regarding news that I see you being quite happy with. Okay. Let's see what the cards have for you. Justice. Justice. Okay. Temperance. The Seven of Cups. All right. Justice, Temperance, and the Seven of Cups. Things are definitely starting to really balance out for you. Again, I see like the universe waiting for things to happen at the right time, needing that flexibility, that adjustment. And there's something that I see is going to be concrete, written down, pen to paper. It's this. Something is like signed, sealed, and delivered, and it works in your favor. Definitely a higher purpose of everything that is going on here in your energies. Something that is preparing you for something a lot bigger as well. Feeding and nourishing your soul. Doing things that are good for you, surrounding yourself in a positive environment. There is such great momentum behind you, around you. You're having this magnetic energy here, and you're able to really transform things for the better. I do sense that something is coming around very, very soon. Multiple opportunities there for you, and it's something that talks about you having to be creative with these opportunities that do arise. I do see good karma. Oh lovely, 6 of Wands, 6 of Wands, 6 of Wands, and the Page of Swords. 6 of Wands and the Page of Swords, or Knave of Swords. It's like everything had to be positioned in a very careful way, very detailed way, that you're going to start to really understand what all of this is. And it had to start to align, like your stars, energy, all had to start to align in order for you to really rise up here. In order for you to, the communication also I see coming through. There is a lot of admiration I'm seeing here with the 6 of Wands page. It's like it's time to give yourself a lot more credit for everything that you do. There's something also that I see is going to be put to rest. It's going to be put to, like, you're finding peace over it as well. There's a calmness that's coming in after some turbulence that you have gone through. But there is great success there for you. And I do see you're not wasting any time in grabbing the right opportunity. You are, in fact, manifesting what is coming towards you in this news that I see you're wanting to protect over. I'm getting the message global. So I don't know if you work for a global environment, global company, or something globally is happening that could benefit you. Interesting. But whatever it is that you are projecting, you certainly, the Knight of Pentacles, you certainly are receiving great answers to that. And this is the security and stability here that is very much needed. Here with the Knight of Pentacles, I see that you have got it. Something is down. It's like fasten your seatbelts, because this is going to be a hell of a journey for you. It's going to be a great ride, a smooth ride, and one that you're going to have, and it's going to continue for a long time. you know, and also looking back, you're like, all right, slow and steady did win the race. It does win the race. So once you're there, things can continue flowing through in a very, very positive way. I do see something solid coming in, whether that's a contract or a connection, but it's solid. It is done, like I was saying earlier, signed, sealed, and delivered. You know, and I do see you feeling so proud and good over this as well. I see somebody coming and saying congratulations.